Today I will show you how to create this background in DaVinci Resolve. Create a project in DaVinci Resolve, then go to Effects and search for the Fusion composition. Drag it into the timeline. Make the clip a little longer, then go to the Fusion composition, right click and go to Open in Fusion page. Then shift space and add Fast Noise node. Under the Fast Noise we have to add an Abstraction node. Under Abstraction we have to add Edge Detection and connect the output of the Edge Detect to the media out. Now go to the Fast Noise and set these settings. Set the contrast to 5, the brightness to 1 and set the seed rate to 0.01. Then we have to go to the Abstraction node and set the Prelude to 0, Abstraction Straight to 0 and Iterate Abstraction to 0. Then go to Quantization and set the steps to 3 and softness to 0.015. Now disable Draw Edge. Go to Edge Detect and set these values. Edge width to 0.1, brightness all up to 5, gamma all up. After that, go back to the Fast Noise and go into the Color section. Here, go to the Alpha and set it all up. And if you've done everything correctly, you should have something like this. That's all for today's tutorial. Like and subscribe and let me know what you think about it in the comments.